Halo, 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 halo. Ah, yang coba mo di siya akan ka mau meram. Actually, yang pedang reh ka mau meram. Yang suka di siya akan ka channel ko nga. Because after long time yang kami na video biang mo de lawai be coba kita senang ko ka dong mo. De ngaru lawai mo nomor ba kami na video mo lawai mo. The weather is quite cool and ngadeng tangki ini globes half globes which is not that good, not bad also. Nomor badang si mo and tempat kiat kita tu kata-kata ru bangan banteng kata full globes mo posting. And actually ngila di ban mi nadu mene mo tangba first problem di bangam lak ya okay. And second problem is that kadang pun kam ka sạch nó sạch chan sạch tiar thế thì tak kentang wa khat jangan wa nomor wa sạch chan sạch tiar te berkat kerja gine hap tiap hey te wa mo bernai chamar kam nang ni ru pila bernai mo nen ya nak nen na sup ko adik kan ke kunci mo
Ya, mo.
Dan sentiu kunci mo buon ma so ini yang nak nak kunci dan ini yang wifi nak tu mo. Yes, there, bro. Đây này đừng mặt phẳng lên đây ya đừng vậy là tay siang I know different ways now to go to Markham because I have already went there now that's why and she is my tourist now I am riding the Rapido what you're not paying me. You have to pay me or else I will drop here. And from this bridge wait, nang ni kan yang lain tenat ang kaong how is the water the bridge wow so nice so beautiful so sun also so beautiful are dan cing sendo inggut ban sangi anak ni mo waktu pa ilong tenat lah kena cakap miru dari kieu teh jiram luom tangba ngila decide kot banek teh support Markham teh ngapan pendak IM right there it's not fair and square long fair and square so it's not good no so that's that thing you have a let's stay no sah Markham okay and ngate ngalakit inti nomor bang lawan Gunsin mo sini ya maybe 1 2 3 4 times ngelawan sini and this is my 5 times coming to Markham and this is the last time of this year mo ngan sini dan itu kan angkret one sure so I expect next time later for now kayak ni atas so kasurat berkolong ini sarung ni mau Markham ta kita ikan kasurat so no problem because I have it expulse with my expulse so I can do anything for example like this if I want to but I don't want to because I'm not pro, okay, because I'm noob. Okay. Very tight. Guys, I want to sing that one song, no, which is called na 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 na. You know that song?
What?
Dil Chura Liya Mera. I don't know that song, but yes, like it. Yeah, you sing now, please. Yeah. You don't know, you sing now, please. You sing now. Yeah, yes. If you sing like this, I will do like this also. Oh, that's nice. Wow, that's nice. What a nice, brother. What a nice. Too long this road. We are doing off-road today, brother. We are so jam-mad today. Một con sạch bách trong và trần bốc phát vào con sạch đi. Wow. Ở đây con sạch thế là có small phát. It's better when it's chạy like this. No. When it's rain, no, then better don't come here because it's very thick and very jemjar, okay? So, while it's raining, no, it's better you go from that side. Yes. Makan baby, baju keren. So tired. So kani kadi kalat no bang hakan sim balik markam. And most of you that already know, so no need to go detail about that. As long as you have nasupan just in case somebody don't know about this place. That the meeting. I must say, what are you doing in the middle of the road? Fiesta tax na? Oh, stay lah bernyanyi. Come on, let's do it, come on, let's do it, When I am tired, I usually do like this. Oh, but flow. Yes. Finally, we reach Markham. Ano? Nah. Oh, tuh. Problema. Di baik buat arah teh. Kelat, Pak. Let's go. Are we doing off-road here, brother? Welcome to off-road. Actually, mentah kalau kah ke Surabaya. Go from there, Hi, so many people. Beautiful people. Oh, very nice. Like that, right? Hi. This is very creative. More. Very creative kan ini. Wow. This is not a mirror, okay? You dirty fellow. Ugly face. Oh, ni kadum hakat bawan ngasan ni lah. And tapet saya. du buat con đi ra tôi chọn đốt tên nhà một trong cái cũng nói hay mà kriat bahasa nih mentan nama apa kalau di Portland hah sino interrupting happening
Bang makal ha.
hate up tewin up sakoe siam cắt đi đà lại best mà mà tingin ni songkai no tambah ni songkai itu kan nomor apa crit club lagi punya student kalau best club actually mentah te kalau kamba sih nomor apa kila kam baik kini surok mau banwan sini ya which is very nice after all Andrai te ni jenjar di banwan sini ya last time it's okay for two-wheelers so kasih ba halang tang te padang baik exactly which is very nice here
Basta ka na kafe.
yes no ang perlok kabestang kan ikaw with girls no when you come kabestang kan ikaw with girls no when you come kabestang kan ikaw la chan spa taliru yin kabestang kan ikaw pisang am tep ra pisang pi ong kom no tep yon nei
No.
yon nei
No.
nei
Makan? Oh.
pi ong kom no tep yon nei pisang ha ngim chuang idi Duma đâu nè ta? Duma đâu nè? Oh, really? She is very noob, you know, and I'm very pro, you know, because gimen chuan jio Duma jio do tenreng. Nanti siap ya ong lu air. But this is actually tenreng. And can you isi buan ha ne? Oh, plenty of tenreng ne, which is very nice. Đã đi văn ra chừng bám ấy mà ông đã thiết đây chừng bám đây ra tê nhìn nhà vào chừng bám phăng trong cái phăng đen nhìn nhà lên nọ mà the sun is nowhere to be seen ni one actually hanya one page ya ka sunset imo tambah unfortunately minta sih gambar sunset which is very bad luck. So, maliran tasnya. Oh, the yacht one rak 10 sini best mo. 10. Next time I will bring 10 here. I'll buy one. Isn't it? Maybe camping here also is a good idea. Maybe I'm just thinking. The yacht lat ban camp telah best plat ifat. Okay, someday we'll come to camp here more with my friends more because it's very nice place to come Banwan sini ang kalong kababas balik tenan.
Hungry.
What hungry? We have already eaten food. We are hungry now.
I'm hungry chips.
Oh, you're hungry chips. Oh, this is what woman talent is. Only hungry.
No money.
And make my pant tali, you know. This is one woman talent. I'm just joking, okay? It's not like that. Oh, sorry. So we brought these chips with us so that we can have a little bit time pass here. And we have brought some, you know, beer. I will show you some beer. It's tubok. Okay, you guys, I hope kabang ka tubok. So actually this is tubok. Here. It's not tubok. Okay, I'm just kidding. It's Sprite. Okay, ini penerkam dengan Sprite dan nabamig chips. Time pass pang, then we'll go. Okay. Deh.
Dawan kalau aja, poh na basa.
Mo. Tanpa kajing temu jangan bangun sini mentasi am kada bangun pek jaka sunset.
Dah sunset ah.
Ba mentasi there is no sunset, there is only frozen. I'm frozen here.
The blink done.
That's what I'm saying now. nadangi once ini next time to will bring 10 also no. Along with our friends are waiting. Okay. Mau terlap.
Gawa na kalibas.
Don't worry, I have that kali. I used to park there in the Almari, you know. Big car I have, brother. You guys comment me, okay, if I'm comedian also. Yang long komik na kumno na. So up siya mo. Teh, balik iwan sa na siya po, mantaan. Namarbang iwan wat ika pakai helmet juga kan. Nang tena jerong kalau tulun tuk 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 tuk. Aduh isi sport. So tak ada bila wan sendiri sini sport man. Pick up ya helmet mo jami, dai. Which is very funny, okay. Kak komik hati karkon tulun ru. Tulun tuk 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 tuk. Nang tek tulun tuk 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 tuk. Sadu siya niya. Oh. Leh, bekas dah ya. Tengok deh. Nah, lipat saya ni. Kita pun sah-sah ikat kita ni. Damrau ni lita ni sisa ipat kriat. Tanggi skoru lah pejak tang mentaru. Tama what to do. Tengin ya lay nak mau mentar. Because
Sis tidak jadi.
okay ya.
Tapi
Kali ada ya.
kau dah.
Kod.
Tunggu saja dah. Saja.
Biar men off saja. So now let's go. Dia mentangin ya pelong kajing late no. Because we are
Pun berota.
anar nga.
Ay, tiket pun berota di sini ya.
She is very pendik, you know. Whatever I was about to speak, you know. Ata ka pun arta. Ha? Ata ka pun arta. Chim này ka pun arta, chim này laita. Chim nọ ka này ro ha. Chim nọ laita. Chim nọ bro ro.
Pala.
Kong rapido.
Yes.
Sinyak ni ka ban.
Nanya hi.
Oh, sinyak hi. Wow, so nice. Trim mo banyak banget.
Yes. Ayah.
Kidan ki kan thayang ne po silo ki batrim nya baik ro. Ketu te golap sufi.
Yes.
Piston ro ne kong. Kak ni kong deh. They get some motivation, okay? By becoming like this kong. Yang dah. Oh.
Kiri kundi. Pernah.
Jangan. Oh, trim ni itemannya. Oh, cik boleh. Lam jaga kuaduran mah. Toh chan nak buat kau kuadur toh chan nak betul. Chan lain mah. Lah chonga. So my dear friend, now we are going, okay? I'm also going down. Amudi latipo.
Ya.
Ngan kanan tipo.
Ya.
Kain long tay.
Ya.
Hindi lom. Ah, okay. Very nice. One kill.
Ano?
Kill. Oh. There, my friend, this is the last view of Markham. Maybe
it cannot see clearly.
Lawan miet than mut pe ke sunset tang bai iman daka.
Lo.
Mo. So which is nice also. Which is very nice. Tiêu bai jong phi la yo bai jong clear te man tang ni like no. Then hopefully you enjoy cái video. And if you enjoy, please leave a like. And if you see it, please comment. Let's say your ngan penbahas isu mo nang nismat. So thank you for lot makila don berda banga. And oh, so cute, no?
Little baby.
Pretty little baby.